So this is the spinal decompression machine for your neck or cervical spine. It's for herniated discs, bulging discs, spinal stenosis. Oftentimes those conditions will pinch one of the spinal nerves in your neck, often giving you numbness, tingling, burning sensations down the arm into the hand, loss of grip strength where you feel like you can't hold a pencil or a cup, it wants to drop out of your hand. So basically what the machine does, it will create a negative pressure within the disc, which allows blood, nutrients, and oxygen to diffuse into the disc, and it relieves pain off of the spinal nerve, clearing up the pain in your arm and your hand. It's completely non-invasive. It has a 86 to 90% success rate. It's very comfortable. You feel a gentle pulling sensation, and it's very specific. So on our patient here today, we're going to work on the C6, and you can see it creates an angle to target that specific disc. You're on the machine for approximately 30 minutes, and again, it's very gentle pulling. Often patients will fall asleep while they're on the machine. So this is the spinal decompression machine for the low back. And you can see the opening in the table here. That's where you're going to be feeling the spinal decompression, the effects of it taking place. Your upper body is stable. It's not going to be moving at all. And the machine is going to be pulling at half your body weight minus 10 pounds. And it's going to be pulling right on the low back, right over the disc area. And what the machine will do, it just opens up the disc space, creates that negative pressure within the disc, and creates a vacuum effect, which will suck the herniated disc, the bulging disc back in and gets pressure off the nerve, which will clear up the pain that often will radiate down your leg into the foot.
Quality of life was pretty much nil ever since like 2007. Then I found out about Dr. Guerrero's machine, the DRX 9000, and the history of it. Me and my wife met with him and started on a machine, and I've had 24 sessions now, and I'm through with the sessions now, and I feel just a lot better. Pain is very, very minimal now, where before it was like 10 plus off the charts, and I'm sleeping very good now.
When I first came here, I had a lot of challenges in my life. I couldn't stand in lines without having excruciating pain. I couldn't even brush my teeth without basically bending over and taking a rest. Now I can brush my teeth. I live in a 3-story walk up to my apartment. I can do the stairs without having pain. And I can stand in lines without having to have somebody save my space and go sit and then run back and get my space. It has really, really helped. I went through the physical therapy, the traditional physical therapy, and I went through a series of shots. So I went through the more traditional therapies, and they did not help. And I've been in this pain for over 3 years, and now I can honestly say this has worked. I am pain-free. This has really, really worked for me, and I am so happy.
This is my 26th week with Dr. Guerrero, just finishing up. When I first came into this office, I was in pain, depressed, couldn't walk, couldn't stand, couldn't sit. Today I feel like a new woman.
About 4 years ago, after open heart surgery, I experienced severe back pain and tried various approaches to be able to do some of the things I had done in the past. After having spinal decompression, I find myself once again sleeping well, walking, not in extreme pain, and really looking forward to the upcoming golfing season.
I came to see Dr. Guerrero when I had disc problems, started using DRX 9000. Treatments really helped my back a great deal, more than anything else that I had tried before coming here. I would recommend it for anybody. It really does a good job, and these guys are great.